hair thing, Daddy? I bet that won't fit. Huh?
You had all that stuff in that little bitty purse. How in the world would you make all that fit?
I don't know.
That's a magic trick within itself, ain't it?
Uh-huh. That's really good. Why are you making those faces?
Whoopsie. I'll have to edit that out.
You ruined it. You could have gone to the party. You could have went to the party. You could have went to the party. I'm gonna show them how my makeup. What?
It was fake. But I just done it to get your laugh. I went.
What did you do with your mouth? You could have lifted that mouth out. Look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I bet that's all.